Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to see about chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are acidic in nature. Carboxylic acid is an organic compound containing a carboxyl group, that is C double bond O OH group, and it is attached to an alkyl or aryl group, and it reacts with the metal and alkali to generate carboxylate ions. And these carboxylic acids are acidic in nature because hydrogen belongs in carboxylic group, reacts with the metal like sodium, potassium, calcium, and when it reacts with this metal, it gives the corresponding salt with the effervescence of hydrogen gas. As from the structure of acid, that is, if you are taken here CH3, C double bond O, OH, is a hydrogen atom which is with that OH group. That hydrogen atom, it remove here in the form of effervescence of H2 gas. And therefore, what we can see here, these carboxylic acids, they shows acidic nature. When the acids dissociate in water, they form carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. This carboxylate ion form is stabilized through the resonance by effective delocalization of negative charge. See in that structure, as they shows the resonance, they form the resonance hybrid stabilized structure. This is about the bond angle and bond length of carboxylic acid structure. C double bond O and OH structure. Okay. So here now see, if we compare here the bond, that it is a structure, it is in a planar form. Means what is expected, it shows the bond angle 120. But it shows the different angle, it shows the variations as due to the distortion of lone pair of electrons which are present on that carbonyl oxygen and hydroxy oxygen. If you see here the bond angle between carbon number 1, 5 and 7. So that carbon number 1, 5, 7, that bond angle is 129. Carbon number 1, 5 and 6, that bond angle is 114. And for the carbon number 6, 5 and 7, it shows 116. So as it not shows perfect 120 degree bond angle, but it shows that less or some little bit higher than 120. So this is about the bond angle, and you have to given here the bond length, different bond length. There is a carbon number 1 and 5, carbon number 1 and 2, or hydrogens and carbon. So this is the structure for carboxylic group. In carboxylic acids, carboxyl group is made up of OH group bonded to the carbonyl carbon, and in aqueous solution, the hydrogen atom in OH of carboxylic acid is dissociated as proton, and carboxylate ion is formed as a conjugate base. See here what it formed, the carboxylate ion and H3O plus hydronium ion. In the structure of when it forms a resonance, that carboxylic carbon, it is in the sp2 hybridized state, and it shows that carbon atoms, all these carbon atoms are lie in one plane. And carboxylic carbon atom is less electrophilic than carbonyl carbon in aldehydes and ketones due to the delocalization of lone pair of electron from the oxygen in hydroxy group. And it shows resonance stabilized structure by the two equivalent resonance structure. See in that structure, the lone pair of electron on the oxygen of that hydroxy group is delocalized on the next carbon atom, and due to that, that bond is delocalized on the head of oxygen, and it forms lone pair of electron which creates a negative charge on carbonyl carbon and positive charge on oxygen of the hydroxy group. Again, that it shows the resonance, the lone pair of electron on the oxygen, it shifted here, okay, and it forms a resonance structure. In case of carboxylic acids, as you can see, these are the most acidic compounds amongst the organic compounds, but they are weaker acids than mineral acids like HCl, H2SO4 or H2SO3. When HCl is hydrolyzed, it completely ionizes into the H plus and Cl minus. So what we can say here, Ka, that is equilibrium constant of acid, Ka is equal to, it is the ratio of product of concentration of H plus and Cl minus to the concentration of HCl. And what you can see here, Ka is higher, the stronger is the acid. Means if the value of Ka is higher, that acid it is a stronger acid, and if the value of Ka is lower, that acid it is a weak acid. Similarly, for carboxylic acid, when these carboxylic acids they hydrolyzed, they completely hydrolyze, and what they form here, carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. And Ka, that is equilibrium constant for this carboxylic acid, is we get here, this is the RCOO minus H3O plus, and which is into the RCOOH and H2, means it is the ratio of the product of concentration of carboxylate ion and hydronium ion to the concentration of acid and water. So this is for the Ka value of the acid. Can write here, equilibrium constant of acid is equal to K equilibrium into H2O, as concentration of H2O remains same, and therefore is equal to RCOO minus H3O plus, and that is the RCOOH. So here, if that larger the value of Ka, greater is the extent of ionization and stronger is the acid. We can write here pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. Okay, that strength of carboxylic acid, it is expressed in terms of pKa. And that strength of carboxylic acid, that is pKa is equal to minus log of Ka, means the smaller the value of pKa, stronger, that is smaller the value of pKa, stronger is the carboxylic acid. Okay, so what we have to remember here, larger the value of Ka, stronger is the acid. But if that smaller the value of pKa, stronger is the carboxylic acid. This is for the influence of electronic effect on acidity of carboxylic acid. All the carboxylic acids do not have same pKa value. The structure of R in carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH, is carboxylic group which is attached to the alkyl group or aryl group. So the structure of R has influence on the acid strength of carboxylic acid. See, in that structure, X, that is halogen, which is attached to the CH2 group and which is attached with the C double bond O OH group. By the removal of hydrogen, it forms the resonance structure, resonance hybrid structure, and halogens are attached on that carbon, which are more electronegative atoms. So these halogens exert minus I effect, means negative inductive effect, that is electron withdrawing effect, and that negatively charged carboxylate ion in the conjugate base of halo acid gets stabilized by the negative inductive effect of the halogen. Means that suppose here the chlorine, that X is equal to chlorine. So chlorine withdraw the electron from the carboxylic acid. So as it withdraw the electron from the carboxylic group, from CH2 group, it get more stable. Okay, and therefore the removal of H, or what we can say, the availability of hydrogen is easily here when the electron withdrawing groups are with the CH2 group or carboxylic group, and therefore if that electron withdrawing group like halogens are present on this carboxylic group structure, so these are more acidic in nature than the other structures. Here, if you are taken here the Cl, CH2, C double bond OOH and CH3COOH. Here, Cl withdraw the electron from carboxylic group as well as from the CH2 group. Here, CH3 group, it donate its electron towards the carboxylic group, and therefore the Cl group with that Cl halogens which are present in the structure, these are more acidic in nature. These are the pKa value of haloacetic acid. Now see just what you have studied. If halogens are present with these acids, they are more acidic in nature. So according to that electronegativity of that halogen atom, again their acidic strength is changes. Means if more electronegative is present here, that is fluorine, they shows the more acidic nature. Then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Means from, see the last one is the acetic acid, CH3 C double bond OH. From that CH3COH, if there is an electronegative group like iodine is present, it shows the more acidic nature. Then if Br is present, it is again more acidic in nature, as that Br is more electronegative than iodine. Like that, if that fluorine is present here, it is a more acidic in nature. Now see their pKa value 2.56. If the fluorine is present, 2.86. pKa value is going on increases here. Acetic acid having the higher pKa value. It having the higher pKa value means lower acidic in nature. Okay, and for the FCH2C double bond OOH, it shows higher the pKa value, it shows the more acidic in nature. Therefore, it is a stronger acidic in nature. Means what you can see here, the higher the electronegativity of halogen, greater is the stabilization of conjugate base, and stronger is the acid. And when the acid is stronger, when it shows the smaller pKa value. So this is for the pKa value of haloacetic acid. This is for the acidic strength. Okay, and you compare here acidic strength between the alcohols, phenols, and acids. Due to the delocalization of negative charge over the ortho and para position of aromatic ring, phenoxide ions are more stable than phenol. So that was studied in the topic there about their acidic nature of alcohols and phenols. Means phenoxide ions, as they form resonance, they are more stable than the phenol structure. If we compare their acidic nature for the alcohol, in case of alcohols, ROH, alcohol and alkoxide ions, they are the negative charge in the localized on that single oxygen atom, and therefore they are less stable than the phenoxide ion. Means more easily removal of H plus proton takes place from the phenol than alcohol, and therefore what you can see here, this aromatic, their acidic nature, the destabilization of the conjugate base for the alcohols, whereas stabilization of the conjugate base is moderate in phenols. In case of acids, carboxylic acids, it is a resonance hybrid of two equivalent structures, and these carboxylate ions are more stable as they form two resonance structure, and their equilibrium is shifted in the direction of increased ionization, and therefore they show the very stabilized structure, and they are showing the good stabilization, and due to that carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols than the alcohols. Their pKa value is indicative for the acidic strength. So you can see the lower pKa value, stronger is the acid. So for the alcohol, phenol and carboxylic acids, when they show the ionization of the OH bond, and when they give away proton H plus, as the formation of conjugate base is formed, and as the conjugate base of carboxylic ion is stabilized among the three structures, the carboxylic acids are strongest acids and they have lower pKa value. Conjugate base of alcohol is destabilized. Alcohol are weak acids and have higher pKa value. So as the conjugate base of phenol is moderately stabilized, phenols are moderately acidic and have intermediate pKa value. So this is about the comparison between the acidic strength of alcohol, phenol and carboxylic acids. Effect of substituents on acidity of carboxylic acids. Now see, for acetic acid, CH3C double bond OH, it shows the pKa 4.74. Okay, and if one of the substituent like Cl is present on that acetic acid, that is one hydrogen is replaced by Cl, it forms the structure of monochloroacetic acid having the lower pKa value 2.86. means the substituents are present, acidic strength is increases. For the dichloroacetic acid, again it shows the more acidic in nature as it shows the lower pK value 1.26. And for trichloroacetic acid, if all the hydrogen from the acetic acid are replaced by Cl, it forms CCl3COH, which shows the very lower pK value, means it is a stronger acidic in nature. Means if we add here that more substituents on these acids, the acidity is going on increases as the pK value is lower. But remember that which substituents? Electron withdrawing substituents, okay, like halogens, then only acidic nature is going on increases. This is for the structures in which that aliphatic carboxylic acid, in which the inductive effect is decreases rapidly as the substituents move further from the carboxylic acids. Means these are the structures in which halogens are present in the carboxylic structure, but that it is on which carbon atom it is present, according to that acidic strength is decided. The inductive effect is depend upon the electronegativity and number of substituents. If more electronegative substituents are present on alpha carbon atom, it increases acidic strength. Here for the first structure, so C double bond O, OH group, which is attached to the first carbon, that CH and Cl. So Cl is present on alpha carbon atom. Okay, so this is the Cl is present on alpha carbon atom. In the second structure, Cl is present on the beta carbon atom. Carboxylic carbon atom, it is the first carbon atom, then second carbon atom, and Cl is present on third carbon atom. For the next structure, Cl is present on fourth carbon atom. Means that Cl is change here position in all the structure. Now see, for the first structure, 2-chlorobutanic acid, its pK value is 2.86. Means it shows the lower pK value, higher acidic in nature. For the second structure, for the 3-chlorobutanic acid, pK value is increases. At Cl is present on the third carbon atom. It shows 4.05. That is a higher than the 2-chlorobutanic acid. Means acid strength is going on decreases. And for the last structure, it shows 4.52 pK value, as it shows the more pK value, and therefore it is a weaker acidic in nature. Means substituent on alpha carbon atom, they are more effective in increasing the acidic strength. As that substituents are going far away from the carboxylic group, acidic strength is going on decreases. This is for the acidity of carboxylic acids and in their aromatic structure. See, for this structure, orthonitrobenzoic acid, it is the first structure. In that NO2 group, it is the electron withdrawing group. Okay, so it withdraw the electron from the first, it withdraw the electron from the carboxylic group and from the aromatic ring. Okay, so for the second structure, again it withdraw the electron from the carboxylic carbon atom from the aromatic ring, but NO2 group is present at para position. In the third structure, NO2 group is present at meta position. First we see about these three structures. Here, as ortho, para and meta-nitrobenzoic acids are present, this shows the different acidic nature due to the change at the position of the NO2 group. For the first structure, it is the most acidic in nature as that NO2 group is present at ortho position near to the carboxylic group. If it is going on away from the ortho position to the para positions, okay, so the withdrawing capacity is decreases as compared to the ortho position, and therefore it shows the higher pK value than the orthonitrobenzoic acid. It is 2.16, and for the para-nitrobenzoic acid 3.41. Meta group, it is the deactivating group, and therefore it shows a very less electron withdrawing capacity for the NO2 group, and it shows the less acidic nature than the ortho and para structure. But meta-nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic in nature than benzoic acid. As NO2 group is electron withdrawing group is present at meta position, it shows the acidic nature. It withdraw the electron and therefore it shows a more stable structure than the benzoic acid, where the not electron in withdrawing groups are present. And see, for the last structure, that electron giving effect, that is it gives its electron or methoxy group, it gives electron towards the aromatic ring. Okay, and therefore that it shows a very less acidic, that pK value is very higher, 4.46, but it shows a very less acidic in nature. Okay, that is depend upon the, if the electron withdrawing groups are present, they are more acidic nature, and if electron giving groups are present, they are less acidic in nature. As by giving the electron, as they donate the electron, electron donating groups are present, as they donate the electron towards the aromatic ring, the benzene ring is destabilized. Okay, that as more electron density on the benzene and carboxylic group, therefore they are not stabilized and they shows a less acidic in nature. See here, for this what we can see here, ortho, para and meta, they shows more acidic nature, as electron is as the NO2 group, it shows the electron withdrawing effect, as negative charges get stabilized within that NO2 group and therefore they are electron withdrawing group. So what we can say here, that acidity is going on increases for the aromatic carboxylic acid group if electron withdrawing groups are present on this aromatic carboxylic acid. So this is for the increasing and decreasing the acidity character according to that which groups are present on this benzoic acid. In aromatic carboxylic acid, if the electron withdrawing groups like Cl, Cn, NO2 group are present, they increases the acidity. And whereas electron releasing group like CH3, hydroxy group, methoxy group or NH2 group are present, as they release the group releasing electron donating group, and therefore they decreases the acidity or decrease the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. So this is about the chemical properties of carboxylic acid that we completed here about that point. Thank you.